In the situation of global pandemic and home lockdown, our menu choice becomes a little bit more important than usual. And my priority is using inexpensive ingredients in easy cooking method. Simple and easy Japanese comfort food, Oyakodon. Let's begin. Always cut the dry ingredients first on the cutting board. Cut nori into thin strips for the final garnish. Cut half of an onion into julienne shape. Separate the white and the green part of the scallion. Cut the white part in an angle and green part in rounds. And debone the chicken thighs by exposing the bones with the tip of your knife. And run your knife between the meat and the bone. Remove the extra skin and cut them into bite-sized pieces. The sauce is super simple. You mix dashi, mirin, and the soy sauce. I really like the taste of the pan-fried chicken. So start by searing the skin side on a sizzling hot pan. Let the pan do the work and then flip them when it looks like this. Cook for 1 more minute on the flip side and add onions and the scallion white part. After cooking for 1 minute, you pour the mixed sauce on top. When about 1/3 of the liquid is reduced, you add flat parsley and very lightly beaten eggs. And when the eggs bring all the ingredients together, you're done. Gently lay everything on a bowl of rice. Sprinkle scallion rounds and the fresh egg yolk. Garnish with some nori strips and a teaspoon of utility meat sauce. This is it. How about this one for your lunch today? I've got a lot more recipes coming, guys. So seriously, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll come back with more quarantine-friendly recipes.